Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are a Flutter developer looking to securely store sensitive data like access tokens, passwords, or API keys, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you through integrating Flutter_secure_storage with clear steps and explanations. By the end, you'll know how to configure the package, handle native setup, and apply it effectively in your code. Let's get started. Flutter_secure_storage is a powerful package that allows you to securely store key-value pairs on both Android and iOS devices. It leverages Android key store and iOS keychain, ensuring your data is encrypted and protected. Add dependencies. Open your pubspec.yaml file and add the following package. Run the command flutter pub-get. Native configuration. For Android, update your Android app build.gradle file. For iOS, add the following permission in iOS runner info.plist. Additionally, enable keychain sharing in Xcode. Open your project in Xcode. Select your project in the left sidebar. Go to Signing and Capabilities. Click Plus Capability and add keychain sharing. Initialize the storage instance and text controller. Create a method to load data from secure storage. Create a method to save data securely. Create a method to delete data from secure storage. Build the UI for data entry and secure storage actions. That's it. You've successfully integrated Flutter_secure_storage in your Flutter app with a working example. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Flutter content. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Happy coding!